Hi, I'm Chef Anthony, and I'm here to teach you how to make my family's secret salsa de tomate using my Gunter Wilhelm barbecue pan. Tips to remember while making the salsa is, when you're grilling the tomatoes and peppers on the Gunter Wilhelm barbecue pan, make sure that you cook them thoroughly and that you caramelize all sides of it. That'll really help bring out the natural sweetness in the tomatoes and the peppers. Another tip I use when making any salsa is, I don't add all the peppers in all at once. I always put in a little bit and then add a little bit more after I've tasted it. Because you can add more spice, but you can't take spice out of a salsa. And now my favorite part, we get to try the salsa. Oh yeah, that's good. The barbecue pan really helps caramelize all those flavors. You're really going to love this. I hope you enjoy.